What's going on, guys? Welcome to HP Fashion, where we give you tips and advice from its fashion, grooming, and lifestyle. I'm your host, Zach Fobbs, and I know what you're thinking. I'm giving you guys a video just in the middle of the week when I just a couple days ago released a video, and honestly, we're taking a different approach with the channel where for the next few weeks on every Wednesday, I'm going to give you guys a product review of a certain product or company that I've been trying out for the last few weeks or months, and I feel comfortable now coming on the channel and talking about it with you guys. This video is in no way, shape, or form sponsored. This is a good product that I honestly took the time to really review, and I would honestly want to recommend it to you guys. So the company I'm going to be talking about first is going to be Scentbird. If you guys don't know what Scentbird is, it's a company where they specialize in colognes and perfumes. It's not just for guys, but for women as well. So it's if you're struggling for like a gift idea for your girlfriend, this is one of the ways you can go. But what it is that they will send you every month, they'll send you a little vial of cologne that you can either pick out or they'll actually recommend it to you, and they'll send it right to your doorstep. I think it's like $15 a month, which is not bad, and you can choose how frequently you want it. Like if you want it every other month, or like 2 months, you can choose that on their website. It's a very simple thing to really navigate, and honestly, it's one of the best companies I've ever heard of, and honestly, it's one of the most recommended, fragrances systems for men, and honestly, I see why. What I got for my first scent is Black Bold by Kenneth Cole, and it's a very masculine scent, but it smells good, and it has that like a soft side to it, and it's one of those colognes that you can wear for just about anywhere. I can wear it at work, or if I'm running errands, I'm on a date with my girlfriend, etc., etc. I even spray it here at home because when I spray it, it gets me in that productive mood, like that mood I need to get stuff done. So I feel like I'm slacking somewhere, I need to get the apartment cleaned, or if I need to do some work for HP Fashion, I spray this and I just get to work, but it's not that overpowering to the point where everyone around me is kind of gagging. So I would honestly recommend Kenneth Cole. If I can find a bottle for this online, I would honestly consider buying it and making it a main part of my collection here at home. And honestly, it's one of those great companies that kind of opens your mind to different products that you normally wouldn't want to try. In this case, colognes. I was always one of those guys that would try maybe one cologne, maybe two, and kind of just stick with those for 1 or 2 years before I switch it up. And honestly, we should try to experiment. I've been watching a lot of Alacosta's videos, and he actually does encourage the fact that you should try different colognes for different occasions, when you're around different people, when you're trying to achieve different things, and so on and so forth. And honestly, Scentbird is one of the best ways to go. And honestly, if you guys haven't been realized it from this product review, I honestly love it. And honestly, I've been trying it for about a month and a half now, and I would honestly recommend this to you guys. So guys, if you guys want to go check out Scentbird, like I said, this is not a sponsored video, but I will have their website linked in the description below for you guys to go check out and go get your first system. And when you guys do sign up, make sure you tell them who sent you, because honestly, it would be awesome to get a sponsorship from them. But for now, here's just me giving you an honest recommendation from them. If you guys like this video and you want more of these videos about me talking about different products, for number one, give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you guys will support it. And number two, if you have any products that you will want me to go check out and give you an honest review about it, link in the description below. I'll go check it out and I'll bring those videos to you guys. But if you did enjoy this video anyway, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and help us build an HP community. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you next time.